visits, and I think they may be some of the only teenagers that watch these channels. Before they came, the path they do a property with yeah. But that meant everyone had to find just the right property. And boy, the transformation you were about
Ano, wala pa yung mga pamukot
the
natin.
house we pulled up to could not even be seen from the road. It was completely covered by strong overgrowth. I knew there was a story here, so I stopped and talked to some of the neighbors. You're going to hear those conversations throughout this episode. But they were so overjoyed that we were there cleaning up. I don't think we could have been more well-received, taken care of, loved while we were there. It was so awesome for those boys to experience that. They saw and felt
Si Kiray.
and that's why
Kiray, nasa mo naman din lang mga anak mo, Kiray. Gago mo naman.
thank you all, like I do every week, in helping to make that a reality.
Pwes pa po natin pusa, si Shun. No? Yun. Yan po si Kari. Kari. Ito po muna tayo. At yun na po, yung artist na po. Palabasan namin. Mag-scatter po tayo. Mag-mini naman. Po, dito po tayo sa bahay. Magluluto na po tayo.
This one kind of looks crazy, doesn't it? Yeah, so it comes with something like I could do one else at the grass nicely cut.
Kaya sa loob ng bahay namin, hindi po tapos, pero okay lang po. Ayan na po. Ayan po. Magluto po muna tayo, mga kakonsinuns. Matarsis na po. Para po sa tanghalian. Parang ngayon po mga pusa natin, no? Ayan po si Shu, no? Nasarap na higa, oh. Ayun po si Kari, oh. Kari.